Hi, this is Brian M. Kern from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in an apartment in Brooklyn Heights. It was just closed on yesterday, and they're going to be doing some remodeling. The apartment has 4 bedrooms. It is more of an L shape, and it has a rear yard and also a lower level. So let me walk you through it. This is the great room, and then as I swing around, look at this column here. As I swing around, this is the kitchen, that's the front entrance, and then please excuse, I have all the closet doors open, I'm measuring everything. So as I walk back here, little nook, eating nook, serving center, bathroom on my right here, and then right when I hit this point, this is where dog legs to the left, where I have 3 bedrooms, each with a bath and a closet. Straight ahead is the laundry room, and the last bedroom down there has a door out to the yard. There's another door out to the yard here. There is the access to the lower level, which is basically like one big room. And then here is kind of the master suite. There's a bath, there's a closet there, another closet here, and I'll show you what the bedroom windows look like. These are the bedroom windows. So let me show you the outside too. Here's the rear yard. Goes down there, there's some steps. And then it's there. Beautiful day. So this is what I'm working on today. And thank you for viewing my video. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, then whether it be in the city or upstate or in the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime, and have a fantastic day.